Robert Sums here today. Audio quality is going to get much better, so let's get started. So this is the Hotec wireless headset, lavalier microphone. That's a clip-on microphone, and then that's the headset microphone. So let's open up. Start off with, we've got, there's a thank you card. Business card. Yeah, pretty much it. Then there's a manual. Read that later. This is the lavalier microphone with an adapter on it for 3.5. No, doesn't have the adapter on. The adapter's somewhere else. This is the sender itself, which clips on. I'll show you in a minute. This is the headset mic, so it goes over my head like this, like that. This is the receiver to plug into the phone or camera, doesn't really matter. Change it into 3.5, 6.5 millimeters. This is, another adapter, 6.5 millimeter adapter, dual charging cable, because, sorry, they've got rechargeable batteries on, so this is what this is for. A mount for camera, and another mount for a camera. So let's get it all hooked up and see you when I'm finished. Hey guys, welcome back to Robert's Films here. Today is the latest Disney news video. First story. Muppet Vision 3D closing for refurbishment later this month. To complete the work, the show will be closed from January 26th through to February 8th, with planned reopening to guests on February 9th, 2020. Next story. Full menu and pricing for upcoming Regal Eagle Smokehouse entries are priced between $11 and $19, with an additional sides running at $5, or if you want the actual price, it's $4.99, which is basically $5. And opening date is not yet available, although plans are winter opening for the quick service barbecue restaurant. Next story. Discounts at Disney Springs for Walt Disney World Marathon participants. Restaurants such as Homecoming, Terrier, Raglan Road and Cookies of Dublin are offering 20% off, and Tommy Bahama is now offering a 25% off purchases. Next story. Disney Springs launches Happily Whatever You're After marketing campaign. Free new 30-second focus on discover endurance. Shop and magic and savor the moment. Next story. Epcot Gateway Gifts closing for short refurbishment next week. The shop, located underneath Spaceship Earth on the eastern side, will close from January 18th, reopening January 19th, 2020. Next story. Blizzard Beach annual refurbishment extended. The park was originally scheduled to close from September 9th, 2020. to January 4th, 2020, reopening to guests on January 5th, 2020. Jeez. This is already about 6 weeks longer than standard refurbishment, and the reopening has now been pushed back to even further to January 20th, 2020. Typhoon Lagoon will still remain open until Blizzard Beach reopens before it begins its refurbishment, which means Disney wants to keep at least one water park open at all times. Oof. Next story. Pass holder gifts and discounts returning to Epcot to 2020 Epcot International Festival of Arts. The complimentary Artful Mickey pass holder magnet available till supplies last. You can see more at wdmagic.com. But next story. Club Run Disney is a new program offering benefits at Run Disney events. Club Run Disney members will offer 3 different 1-year membership levels: silver, gold and platinum. Pretty much just like memberships already. Featuring a range of special benefits, will run from October 1st to 2020 to September 30th, 2021. Full story available at wdmagic.com, so you can see more info at wdmagic.com. Last story. Beach area closed at Disney's Vero Resort for refurbishment. The beach sustained damage during Hurricane Dorian in September, and work is expected to last until the end of January 2020. All other areas of the resort remain open during the works. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe, click the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. See you next time on Robert's Films. Bye! Welcome. Hello, 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 and hello.